That's nice. Droppy. Come here. Come here. Hey. Good morning, guys. Good morning. From beautiful Italia. Yes, guys. So my first trip with Tyson. First ever trip with Tyson. And we're in Italy. We took, well, before I get there and start going off on a tangent, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danelle. If you're new here, I am a Jamaican. I live in Switzerland, and I just share my experiences on my channel. So yes, that's what I'm talking about, my first trip with my dog. Okay, so Tyson is 8 months, 8.5, he's almost 9 months. And if you know anything about dogs, it's quite complicated to travel with dogs. And it's like you're traveling with a small child or a baby or whatever. But Tyson was so good. So we drove for we left home about I don't know where to look, if I should look here or here, but I'll just look anywhere. We just woke up. It's like 8:30, so forgive the bags under my eyes. A subscriber asked about them the other day, and this is when I'm maybe tired or just woke up, and I inherited them from my granddad. My granddad has bags. So anyways, we drove from 9:30. We had 2 stops, and we got here like 5:30. So it was quite a bit of ride. It was long. We took an Airbnb so Tyson could have yard space. And speaking about the devil, look at him. He has yard space and he's really enjoying it. I'm enjoying it for him that he has so much yard space can come out. So that was important for me when I was looking for a place, was that they allow dogs, and it was on the ground floor where the dog had space. And the lady told me that there are dog parks around, so that's perfect. And yeah, I'm gonna give you a little tour of the apartment. It's Airbnb apartment. So Airbnb and is a very good place to find if you're traveling with pets, or if you're going on holiday with pets. Airbnb is a very good place to find something for your house dog or cat or whatever. Hi Tyson. Alright, so you might be wondering where the kids are not in school. So there's Easter holiday in Switzerland now for our city, our canton. So we are in, so I have to manage this dog. So we are in Canton Torgau, and we have Easter break for 2 weeks. Some cantons will get Easter break a week later. So that's why we're able to travel now and get the kids out of the town, give them a little bit of, what do you call that? Fresh air. Yes, so, alright, let me give you the tour now. I'll start from here. Alright, so this is our place. This is the entrance. So it's right onto the garden, the open area. There's a patio table or something, I don't know what you call it. And you have this little secluded, little privacy by the plants. The plants create a little bit of privacy. And I take Tyson to do his business just out here. So that was important for me. And so this is the entrance. Some people are still in bed, so I won't show them. That's where Tyson sleeps, in his crate. That's where I sleep here. And that's David. And we have a visitor for the night, Catalia. She's on the top bunk. And this is the kitchen. So you walk right out of the bedroom into the kitchen area, the kitchenette. So there is a dishwasher, so you can still be lazy when you're on holiday. There's the oven, stove, which I don't think I will use. Not so much. I don't think I'll use it. There is glasses, tea cups, coffee cups, plates. I'll definitely be using those wine glasses. Meat board. Yeah. Oh, these are the coffee cups. Yeah. And the fridge. Those are sandwiches I made for the trip yesterday. And yeah, freezer salt, so on and so forth. Yeah, so you can, if you want to cook, you can cook. You know, I like the yeah, it's not big, it's not, but it's adequate, it's comfortable for us. There's some books you can read if you speak Italian, and I think they are all in Italian, so you can practice your Italian if you like. Oh gosh. Anyways, moving on to the bathroom. So here is like a closet before the bathroom. Yes, I unpack my stuff when I go on holiday. Here you have towels, more blankets if you need them. We didn't need them. And this is the bathroom, which I think is quite big. Somebody didn't close it. But yeah, that's it. And that's the shower. There's no bath. And yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. But this is where we're gonna be staying for the next 6 days with Tyson. And I'm comfortable. I'm happy I could find somewhere for the dog that accommodates dogs. I was happy about that. And with a garden. Yeah. All right, guys, so it's a quick update. I think today I'm going to go to because I'm close to the mall, so I'm going to go to the supermarket, get some milk, coffee, and some stuff, cereal for David. And yeah, and then later on, so I'm here with Anita as well, and another lady, Nardia. So later on, I think we're gonna meet up for ice cream on the lake. Lord God, I'm gonna put the name down here, so cause it's in Italian, I don't remember the name. I'll tell you soon. So we're in Desenzano. I'll put the name below. So bad at the pronunciation. Italian. Yeah, last night we went for dinner. That was nice. All ladies with our children. That was really nice. Yeah, and I'll try to keep you guys in the loop for this trip. I'm so lazy when it comes. I'm not lazy. I try to live in the moment. So that's why vlogging is very hard for me. I try to live in the moment, and sometimes taking out your phone and filming everything that you do take you out of that moment. And yeah, I just can't afford it, but I want to share with you guys. So I'll try my best. Not gonna be everything, which is never everything, but whatever I think is fun or you would like to see, I will try to film it. All right then, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Tyson. Tyson is always digging for something.